Hi, my name is Valentina Fuentes.
Hi, my name is Angelica Cruz.
Hi, my name is Laura Sofia To.
Hi, my name is Maria Juliana Parra.
Don't know how to pay for your final product? Here we show you with a simple example of juices how you can do it. For this, you only need your knowledge in additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions, and percentages. For this, we made a comparison between two fruits, the pineapple and the blackberry, because we assume that one has more waste than the other. To start with this, we decided to do a file study and see where it was cheaper to buy the fruit, where in the end, the Plaza de Chia was the best place, since in addition to be cheap and fresh, they always give up some ñapa and support local work. If you want to know which of the two fruits was more profitable for us, don't stop watching this video.
Well, the juicing process begins by weighing the fruits. So, the pineapple originally had a weight of 1,401 grams, and the blackberry had a weight of 605 grams. Then, what we did was first peel the pineapple and then remove the core and then cut it into pieces. Then we blended the fruit, the water, and the sugar in the blender. Finally, we separated the pulp from the juice by straining it. So what we did with the blackberry was a similar process. First, we wash it, then we blend the fruit, the water, and the sugar in the blender. Finally, we strain the blend to separate the juice from the pulp.
Okay, so continue with the idea. We have the total weight of the pineapple, which in this case is equal to 1,401 grams. We subtract 796 grams of the waste corresponding to the sum of the skin, the crown, the heart, and the fiber. In that sense, by the means of rule of 3, is determined that the waste is 57%. So also, we identify the standard and real cost in order to know the waste in monetary terms. That is, the standard cost of producing a liter of pineapple juice is 2,646 pesos, while the real cost corresponds to 3,628 pesos. In this way, the difference between the two allows us to determine that the waste per liter of pineapple juice produced is 981 pesos. If the amount of juice produced increases the cost the same, let us say, if the standard of producing a liter we make 35 liters, the total cost of waste is 34,349 pesos. In the case 2, the total weight of blackberry is equal to 605 grams. We subtract the waste, which refers to the strained product, equivalent to 192 grams. The process is repeated and the rule of 3 is made, taking into account that the total weight of the fruit as 100%, for which the waste corresponds to 32%. In this sense, to find the cost of weight, we identify again the standard cost, 3,572 pesos, and the real cost, 4,419 pesos, where the loans to know the cost of weight per liter of juice produced are 846 pesos. It should be noted that if you produce 35 liters with the same characteristics, the total cost per waste could be increased to 29,627 pesos. In short, pineapple juice has more waste compared to blackberry juice, and it's observed both in the preparation and in the analysis of Excel.
In conclusions, so in terms of waste, we can see that the most rentable juice is blackberry because the cost of the waste, as you can see, is less than the pineapple. One of the reasons is that with the blackberry we didn't have to peel it, so it has just one waste, that is the one that is left after we strain the juice. While with the pineapple we had to peel it and also strain it. So the waste, the cost of the waste is higher. So what happens if the percentage of the waste increases? We will need to buy more fruit to produce the liter of juice. That could be due to factors like the efficiency in which we peel the fruit, the incorrect blending of the juice, or the case of the extraining the juice. So we conclude that the more fruit we use, we're going to have more waste and the cost of the waste will increase. Likewise, all of this also depends on how much liters of juice we're going to prepare.